Just before winter, we found this frame of an old swing just left out to decay in the fields out behind our house, and we lugged it all the way home. I was set to build it a new seat and back. I learned so much on this project by making a lot of mistakes, that is, like for example how to use a Kreg jig, how to saw wood correctly without it splintering, and you'll see at the end what happens to pine when you lacquer it without a conditioner underneath it. So first thing was to get it cleaned with some soapy water, and everything was really straightforward from there. I separated the swing part from the rest of the frame and gave it 3 sprays of Rust-Oleum's 123 white spray, and made sure it was real light each time so that I didn't have any dripping. And yes, if you think there was overspray onto the grass, you are correct, there was. I was very nervous about doing this project. I've never built anything like this before, and so I don't have a lot of footage of all the different stages. I sawed down the seat and back planks so that each one sat on the frame, and then I built a wooden frame around that for both support and aesthetics. Sorry about the lighting, this is the only videotape I have of it. It was my husband that suggested that I connect the planks to the wood frame, and I decided to use the Kreg jig to do that. This is what it looks like from underneath as well. I like this way of attaching the planks to the frame. This way it gave a nice aesthetic in the front where we didn't see the end grain, and the planks were supported by the frame itself of the swing. My dad then told me that I should round out the ends of each piece of the frame, so I did that both for the front and the top part, as you see here. This is from the back. After giving it a gray wash and a lacquer, I had to find a canopy top, and I did that online. And we had this old outdoor cushion that fit perfectly on the swing, like it was made to order. If you look closely, you can see the yellowing that comes from using a lacquer on the pine wood, so I'll probably redo it so that I can have it nice and clean. We love it, we use it all the time. This has already gone through one whole winter, and now it's summertime and we use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you go ahead and redo a swing for yourself too. Bye-bye.